In this video, I will show you how you can easily push your changes from one environment to another on Umbraco Cloud. My name is Michael, and let's get started. As you can see here on my project called Black Unicorn, I have a development environment with some changes that is ready to be deployed to live. If you click here, you can get a more detailed description of what has been done. So the only thing I need to do is click on the green button, Deploy Changes to Live. And then we add some a summary to the changes. And in this case, it's a starter kit. And if you want to extend your description, you can do that by typing it here. Otherwise, we'll deploy to live. And if you'd like to follow along, you can click on the view details and you can see in real time what is going on with the project. That's it. The deployment is done and we can click close down here. Now everything we had on development is also on live. So that's it. That's how you push your changes from one environment to another on Umbraco Cloud. Until next time, see you later.